excited about that?
Yeah.
I love it.
How about you? What we have here is fabric markers and
Fabric.
pillow cases for pillows for the playroom. And you each get to decorate one.
Flower? No, I am going to give you. And you're going to give me. Okay? Honey, blue. Oh, to make the rainbow.
Did you make a rainbow?
Above Ruby, right here.
Oh, I love it. What are you making, Ruby?
Zoe.
Aww. We each drew each other.
Uh-huh.
That's cute. There you go. What do you think? Princess shaped instead of goldfish. Goldfish?
Somebody might feed me.
So mean. Oh, who's that one?
Football.
Cinderella.
Who's that one?
I am your snack now.
Moana.
You having some playtime while it rains? Yeah.
Let's go away.
You want the rain to go away?
Uh-huh.
I know. Night-night, baby.
Oh.
Aw, poor baby. You what?
I got perfect song
You have the perfect song?
for my episode.
Oh, are you vlogging?
My song. So, I want you to hear this.
I love it, Zoe.
The song,
You see the sunshine?
the perfect song. The cat. Rainbow.
Oh, you want to see if there's a rainbow?
Uh-huh.
Do you see that rainbow?
Yes. Look, the sun. Pom pom. Rainbow.
You see a rainbow?
Uh-huh.
I see a
It's
rainbow.
sunny.
There's a rainbow on your shirt.
Uh-huh. It's sun.
Yeah, the sun came out. There is a little bit of a rainbow back there behind you.
And this sun.
Yeah.
Sun. A boom. Sun. The sun.
Yeah.
normal. So